Guys, today I will make this LED blinking project in Arduino UNO. And first of all, this project making I will need this LED light and 1K resistors, and LED negative connect to ground in Arduino UNO, and positive pin LED connected, and 13th number of pin in Arduino UNO. And next I will connect this software in Arduino UNO and open, and next I will code and follow this procedure. First of all, I will attach the void setup and pin mode LED I represent it, and void loop and digital write and LED, and follow this procedure in the code. And I will upload this code in my comment section, don't worry. You try this project for normally project in Arduino UNO. And next, this code was complete, and next to setup times and upload this code in Arduino UNO. And next see a result, this LED is blinking, and this is time gap to I will change to 250 milliseconds, and now result, this LED was blinking too fast. And next I will change this 250 millisecond to convert to 50, and now see a result. You can see fast LED blinking in Arduino UNO. See your result.